Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can hide your photos on your iPhone. This is very easy actually. What you need to do is just go to your photos. After going to your photos, if you tap any of your photo like this, it will show the hide button here. As you can see, once you hide it, it will automatically hide the photo which you have selected. And now how you can actually unhide it, just you need to go back. You need to go back to your photos and you need to swipe up, and once you swipe up you get to this utility section here. As you can see that there is a hidden option here. Once you press on it hidden, it requires your face ID or your password. You need to view your button, and it will show all the hidden photos which you have stored. So that's how you can actually do or hide your photos on your iPhone iOS 18. I hope this has sorted your problem out. If you still have any other question, just let me know. I'll try to answer as soon as I can. Thank you very much. Bye bye.